Hi Leo, this is Merisha, your astrologer. Let's see, what is your situation as of now and what you need to hear from me right now. Leo's out there, Sun and rising, goodness. What is it that you need to hear from me right now? Leo's out there. What is it that you need to hear from me right now? Your first card is a 5 cups. Alright. A sense of loss, regrets, disappointments. Okay? Crying over spilt milk. This person is still focused on the past. Alright? What did not work out. 8 of cups. Pretty blunt. Alright? When I spoke about a sense of loss, alright, it could be a relationship situation where somebody walked away from you. Okay, or you walked away from something which was not serving you anymore. Okay, there could be a third party situation. It could be the reason why somebody was disappointed and they walked away from you. I'm speaking to the Leos. All right, yeah, you are very unhappy with how things are right now within this situation. All right, whatever your situation is, if there is a sense of loss, you've lost someone or something, you're not happy with it. All right, you're still focused on the loss, so you're not over it. Some of you might be dealing with a Scorpion energy or probably a Pisces energy. Can we have the next card, please? Leo's out there. This one. The Tower. The Tower is huge, okay? Along with the Ace of Wands. Interesting. Before I say something, let me just confirm this, all right? Because I just got a message and it's not pretty. Can you show me what this Tower is about? Can you show me what this Tower is about? 6 of Swords and the Empress. Yeah, it's the same 5 cups situation. All right, 5 cups, 5 cups. And then we have the Tower. So this is like shit hitting the fan. It's very blunt, all right? Shit hitting the fan. You lost out on someone, okay, who was important to you. Behind the 5 cups is a Queen of Pentacles. The 2 cards which wanted to show up is the Empress, along with the 6 of Swords. So what was the Tower about? Someone whom you saw as your Empress packed their bags and left. Just like the 8 of Cups, they walked away. They were disappointed in you, and they walked away. They moved on. All right. All right, the reason why I wanted to confirm this is when I saw the Tower energy and the Ace of Wands, there is a sexual, I'm not going to explain how I saw it, all right, I'm just going to say, I know. Okay, so it's like somebody might have been dicking around, all right, if you get my message. Somebody might have been playing around with a third person, all right? Leos, okay. There could be others or a third person. You might have been sexually involved with others, okay? This could be the reason why somebody was disappointed with you and why they left. Okay, because this is something which they're not going to be okay with. Okay, so they packed their bags and left. So this is like shit hitting the fan. Okay, and you are very much in regret as well for what had happened because you screwed up and you lost out on someone very important who is the Empress. All right, so I feel like the lady might have left because you were playing around with others. Okay, now I don't want to say it. Leos, this could seem like a dick, all right? And the Ace of Wands playing with your dick, All right, too much info. Oh, we are intuitive, so. Leo's out there. Can we have the next card, please? Can we have the next card, please? Leo's out there. Got the Temperance in the center of the reading and the Nine of Swords. There is something about unable to think straight. Okay? You don't want to give up on them. You are still not, willing to give up on them. This person has left. All right? They have moved on. But they don't want to, even argue with you. But you are still focused on them. All right? Behind the Five of Swords, you're still stuck on them. Okay? You don't know what can be done about it, but you're still stuck on them. Nine of Swords. Some of you might be losing your sleep over this person. Okay? You can't think straight. You just don't know what to do about this. Because you hurt them to the extreme. Like it's beyond repair. So it's like, it's incomprehensible for you to even think about a solution. Okay? How to make things right. But Temperance in the center of the reading is like you are weighing out your options. You are weighing out your situation. But it's like it's stressing you out. Okay? Yeah. Because the person whom you're dealing with doesn't want to deal with you anymore. Okay? It's like they're done with you and you just don't know what to do. Okay? Some of you might be dealing with an Aquarius energy, a Gemini energy, a Sagittarius energy, strong Gemini energy. Moving on. Leo's out there. Can we have the next card, please? Leo's out there. Can we have the next card, please? This one. This card speaks about, this was blunt. This card speaks about, sneaking behind them, doing things in the dark. Okay, so it's pretty much you fucked up. Okay, some of you, just saying, some of you might be into porn, like watching porn, like in the dark, just say. Otherwise, you might be, getting involved in, one night stands. You get it. You thought you would get away with it, but they know. Okay? There is something about you can't formulate your thoughts right now because I'm finding it very hard to even speak what I'm seeing. So it's like your head is a little messed up right now, okay? Which is making it difficult for me as well. Nine of Wands, it's like you're on the fence, okay? Because this was not okay, okay? Yeah. You're tired, you're exhausted. And even the person who dealt with you knew what was, what you did, and they are very apprehensive about you. Like, you could do the same thing again without them knowing. That kind of energy is also there. If you did it once, you're capable of doing it again, multiple times. Okay? And that is something which they don't want to deal with. Some of you might be dealing with an Aquarius energy or probably a Sagittarius energy. Leos, what got into you? Can we have the last card, please? Leos out there. Your situation is like shit hit the fan. Like there is no way this person will come back, but you want them back. Okay, you messed up, you know you lost them, but you still want them back. How do I fix it? Not that kind of a thought process, but you don't know how. Can we have the last card, please? Leo's out there. Can we have the last card, please? This one. Chariot. There is something about taking charge of the situation. Or they want me to look at this. Alright, taking charge of the situation, maybe involving others. Alright, brainstorming it with others. Because temperance energy, you know, it's all about the balance in the head. Chariot energy is taking the reins, you know, sitting behind the wheel, knowing where you're going, all that, you know, taking charge, all right, bringing things back on track. So you want to bring about a balance within the situation, all right. For that, because I kept saying, before I pulled out this card, I kept saying you don't know what to do, okay, you feel stuck, you can't think straight, all that. So they are saying you need to take charge, okay. To make it work out, 3 of Pentacles, make it work. Probably involve others. What is it, God? Empress. This is about the Empress, all right. Probably involve people who are mutuals. I'm speaking to the Leos, all right. Yeah. Who are mutual friends between the two of you. You might get them involved. Or something of that sort, like, you know, or send the message across, like, you know, you want to talk to them, you want to fix it, like, you know, and see what comes out of it. Okay, I feel like there could be a third party involvement to fixing this, like, you know, this person could be the mediator. This one, 2 of Swords. So you are still in the process of contemplating or making that decision regards to how to go about it. Alright, some of you might be dealing with a Cancerian energy, a Capricorn energy. That's it. Let me just pull you another card. I'm done with the reading though. What is the advice for Leos out there? What is the advice for Leos out there? Regards to the situation, what is the advice for Leos out there? Nope. What is the advice for Leos out there? I don't do it usually. Let's see. This one, 3 of Cups, along with the Sun card. Again, I feel like, just like I ended off the reading saying, you might as well involve a third person, okay? It could be a friend, you know, it could be somebody whom you drink with, okay? Mutual friends. You want me to look at this as well, Ace of Pentacles. You want to send across the message through a mutual friend, because there is a possibility this Empress has blocked you, okay? 7 of Pentacles, and wait for them to reciprocate, okay? It's like testing the waters. Yeah, 7 of Wands. This is a blocking energy. They have blocked you. You cannot reach to them directly. So there might be a need for you to use a third person. It's going to be a struggle to get to them, okay? Because they're blocking their heart. So it's you know, they blocked you out. So you might need a third person to get involved and helping you out, so to send out your message, okay, that you want to fix it, because a Sun card, yeah, that you want a second chance probably, all right, a new beginning, all that. Yes, 5 of Swords. You're not willing to give up. That's it. I wish you the very best, Leos out there. This is Merisha, your channel. Until next time, bye bye. Good luck.